In today's world, information and communications technology isn't just useful, it's essential for school, work, and even accessing everyday services. But in Naik Cavite, especially in barangays like Palangge, San Roque, and Halang, over 60% of youth aged 15 to 24 lack access to computers, internet, and basic ICT training. They can create documents, use spreadsheets, or browse safely online, blocking their paths to job, education, and opportunity. That's why we're launching the Empower Tech Hub.
The Nike Youth ICT Hub will train 50 youth prioritizing out of school and low-income students. Sensor run 8 week every Saturday from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. starting at Belmont Homes covered court with San Roque Community Center added. Later we keep groups small, just 15 participants each from personalized learning. Here's what we will cover week 1 and 2. Focus on computer basics, using device and organizing file. Week 3 and 4 tech productivity tools like making resumes and budgeting spreadsheet. Week 5 and 6 are all about safe internet use, protecting information, and spotting scams. Week 7 cover digital communication with email and video calls, and week 8 is a project showcase where participants build portfolios and present their work.
We'll recruit through barangays, schools, and social media, then assess current skill to tailor training. Each session is hand-on, with workbooks after training. Participants present to their communities and get certificate. And top learners will volunteer as mentor for future branches to measure success. We'll track attendance, test skill improvements, gather feedback, and follow up after 3 months to see how skills are being used. Our total budget is 25,000, covering 10 used laptop, 10,000, training materials, 3,000, venue utilities, 4,000, snacks, 3,000, certificate and banners, 200,000, and internet, 3,000. We also welcome donation of printers, extension cords, paper, and ink.
We're seeking support from the Naik municipality governments, local schools, businesses, and community groups. We also need volunteers and help spreading the word. Reach Program Coordinator Mr. Raven A. Mendoza at 0951-371-6635. Our email is francisescasina06gmail.com or find us on Facebook page Empower Tech Hub. Join us in Empowerment Nike Youth. Let's bridge the digital divide, one skill at a time.